My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir. Right now it is black.
Yeah, right now it's dark.
Yeah.
Okay, now?
No, sir, I cannot
No,
see.
Okay, okay.
I cannot see either.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, Prerana, previously you were only one person was in our class, no?
Yes, sir.
So I just skipped this task. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What will be the task means?
Mm-hmm.
See, you guys don't know or you guys know basic use of laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
But if you enter the company, no, your typing
Yeah.
speed should be good.
Okay.
Okay. It's
Yes.
not a easy task again.
Mm.
And
Yes.
also you should know the applications, how to use.
Okay, sir.
How to use.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to use in the sense what, sir? There will be Google Meet, okay?
Uh-huh.
How to schedule the meeting in the calendar.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And there will be something called as your Geo Meet only you take.
Okay.
How to you know create the meeting in Geo Meet
Mm-hmm.
and also in your Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
This is your basic thing, okay? Because you guys are work from home, something you will tell during the interview.
Yes, sir.
And sharing screens, got it? And using that particular tools, and from that
Mm-hmm.
tool to come to paint and explaining the thing, okay?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
how can we do that, sir? Means there
Mm-hmm.
will be a presentation.
Mm-hmm.
You need to do what type of presentation? I will do something in the class, no?
Yes, sir.
So you guys both plan a time
Mm-hmm.
between you guys because your both numbers are there in the group already.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. So what you need to do, you need to plan a time and
Mm-hmm.
share a Google Meet link.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And see, today's topic, I will do something called as Whitebox testing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, Prerana, you explain
Yes, sir.
to her, to her. Okay.
Okay.
Discuss. You guys discuss with each other.
Mm-hmm.
Later, Rina, your name is Rina or Rin?
Rina. Rina.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rina. Okay. Rina will explain. Next day,
Okay.
next
Mm-hmm.
day, Rina will explain first. You explain later.
Okay, sir.
While she is explaining or while you are explaining, if you guys make any mistakes,
Mm-hmm.
you should not interrupt in between. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once the concept is done,
Mm-hmm.
later you need to tell the mistakes.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
in a company, presentation means
Mm-hmm.
they will not keep any booklet and they
Mm-hmm.
will do the presentation. Yes or no? They will
Yes.
prepare.
Mm-hmm.
Prepare before doing the presentation. Similarly,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the concept is there, you guys need to prepare in a home. 20
Okay.
minutes or 30 minutes if you prepare, aram se you will get it. Okay.
Okay,
Later,
sir.
you need to plan for the meet
Okay, sir.
or presentation. You need to share the link as a presentation link in the group. If I am
Mm-hmm.
free, I will also join.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
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 And this is 100% effective, not 1 or 2%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because
Okay.
we have trained more than some, you take some 200 to 300 students till today.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Okay. In that,
Sir.
I'm not a great guy. In that, 40 to 60 people got the job.
Okay.
It means minus
Mm-hmm.
140. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
140, they
Mm-hmm.
got the job,
Mm-hmm.
but not as satisfied as these fellows.
Oh.
They will get the job because they are freshers. That also you should consider.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
your condition is not a fresher type of condition. You are not belongs to this 200 now.
Mm-hmm.
So you should be more skilled than the freshers because
Mm-hmm.
freshers will work under you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Until today, all the concepts whatever you are going with, those are the theoretical concepts.
Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
means the concepts which will be there in the IT company.
Mm-hmm.
It means you will not be blind as soon as you get the job because you know the process or something which I'm teaching which will help you from the
Yes,
back end. Okay, which
yes,
will
sir.
push you to perform something, tell something. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So you can go and you can do your job.
Mm-hmm.
So getting job of 40 to 60 members are there. No, these are my favorite students where
Mm-hmm.
they used to listen to me every time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
If I
Yes,
tell
sir.
do presentation, they have done presentation. If I told them tomorrow is the mock, you need to study, they have studied
Mm-hmm.
for the mock, they have taken the mock, and I told you 1 star they used to get,
Oh,
or
yes,
Okay.
one they used to get. These are the ratings. If you
yes.
get mock rating
Okay.
2 or 3, no, then
Mm-hmm.
waste. You belongs to this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it right. So
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
which will help to get this 40 to 60% of success means
Mm-hmm.
first thing is your notes, whatever I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling you, that
Yes,
you
sir.
should keep and you should write based on your understanding or the
Mm-hmm.
notes which I'm giving that you just study and however you want you frame your own sentence or something. You
Mm-hmm.
create the notes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Attend the classes
Mm-hmm.
regularly because
Mm-hmm.
I will not get my time for
Mm-hmm.
myself itself. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So I can't give
Yep.
you backup classes regularly. I
Yes,
can
sir.
give 1 or 2 classes for Reena. Don't worry, I will teach you basic things, okay? During Sunday
Okay.
or Saturday, I will plan.
Okay.
Backup classes every time I can't give. This is for
Mm-hmm.
sure.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Later, presentation will help you
Mm-hmm.
very much. Okay, it will build your whatever confidence. First thing,
Mm-hmm.
communication you guys are already having. In India, communication is also a problem. So presentation will help them with
Mm-hmm.
the communication and also the
Mm-hmm.
what skills of handling the speaking skills or what we can tell
Mm-hmm.
some strength. Okay, that
Mm-hmm.
presentation will improve.
Mm-hmm.
Later mocks, you take the mocks. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
basically if you do all these things, no, you will be under this thing 40 to
Okay.
Okay.
60%. So please plan it. Both of you become friends, not enemies. Okay, because
Yes.
only two are there, and
Yes,
two
sir.
should be there.
Obviously.
Yeah,
Obviously.
obviously, she need to ask something with you, and you became a classmates in your
Yes, sir.
school. How you are there? Only two
Yeah.
members are there in your school.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is basically school only
Okay, sir.
because this is Guru schools, no?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is not Guru's college.
Yes,
This
sir.
is Guru schools. Okay, got
Correct.
it.
Yes,
So
sir.
now let us
Okay.
go to. You have any doubts in this? No, right?
No, sir. No.
No. No.
Why I told you join in the meetings means suddenly your interview scheduled in a Google Meet. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
some of the interview scheduled in Google Meets or Skype
Mm-hmm.
somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Suddenly that interviewer will tell share your screen,
Yes.
Right.
share the
Right. Makes
video,
sense.
share the video, or
Yes.
share the audio or mute. If you
Yeah.
ask him, sir, where is the mute button? Sir, where is the sharing screen button? Okay.
Doesn't look
100,
good.
100
Mm-hmm.
not looks good. 100% you will get to know that you are not worked in any company.
Correct.
Experience. Yep.
No
Yes.
experience.
Yes,
They
sir.
are making some drama. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yep.
then and
Got
there
it.
itself, they will decide that you are a fake
Fresh.
experience or something.
Mm.
I don't want my students to uh, get exited from the interview in the first stage only. Got it?
Mm. Yes, sir.
So this
Right.
is
Right.
your concept. You need to follow that. Okay. So now
Okay.
let us go with the concept white box testing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What will happen in white box testing? Let me teach you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There will be some code developer will write. Okay. I will write a simple code that class arena only. Let me take all arena. I will take. It is a name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Later,
Mm-hmm.
you should open the bracket. Sir, why, sir? Why means you learn in Java classes. I will
Mm-hmm.
just guide you how to write the code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Public static void main. Did you guys heard this name anywhere?
Yeah, yes, sir. I actually, sir, in my 12th, I had
Uh,
this computer science instead of
okay, okay, okay,
Hindi language. So
okay,
I learned C++ at that time. So I have seen
okay.
the void and main and string.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
At least you have seen. Rin, have you seen this?
No. No, I
No.
haven't.
Okay. This is the code,
Because
okay?
I
Yeah.
was human nutritionist, right? So that was not my subject.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. But you are a doctor, Dr. G.
No, not really. But I
In
can be a good nutritionist for sure.
okay. Yes, if you are good nutrition, no, I no need of going with further doctors.
No, not at all.
Yes, no? Yeah. So I am initializing one of the variable. Okay. X is a variable always. Int means
Mhm.
integer. I
Integer.
am giving X will always store some integer values. Got it? This is
Mhm.
how uh, we need to initialization we need to do for a variable. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Next,
Yes, sir.
something like that. Okay. If
Mhm.
uh, X is greater than or less than X is greater than 10.
Mm.
Okay. Or what will be the age for elections in US?
18, sir.
16, 18, same as
Yes.
India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If X is then system dot out dot println.
Mm.
So what do you mean by this? This is a printing statement. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And
Right. Yeah.
always the printing statement should be in a double inverted commas. This is what I'm just giving you an example. This is not a not included in your syllabus. I'm just giving you white box testing will be done by developers. No, so I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
giving you an example. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
you are eligible for
Voting.
voting. Yes
Mm.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
See, the bracket is open. Next, it is closed. Again, I need to open one bracket,
Yes, sir.
or I need to write one more statements. Else. Okay.
Mm.
Else means if this is not possible, if you are
Mm.
not above 18, no.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
I'm giving some printing statements. Coding is very easy and also
Yes.
difficult.
Yeah.
If you are thinking logically, got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Logical thinking is there, then you can
Yeah.
write the code. I am
Yeah.
not that much good in logical, so I'm a manual test engineer.
Okay.
You are not eligible. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a code developer is written now.
Yes, sir.
Like this
Mm-hmm.
guys here,
Mm-hmm.
white box testing is done by whom?
Developer.
Developer. Rin, got it? This is developer's thing.
Right.
This is not test engineer's thing, okay? So developer,
Okay.
what he will do before giving the software for a test engineer, there will be coding, okay? Coding stage will be there. Developers will write the code. Later writing the code, they will do something called as white box testing. What is
Mm.
this white box testing means?
Mm-hmm.
They will go to this code, okay, class read. They will study this, okay, according to the standard. See, class always should be there for all the codes, okay, and
Oh.
RIN is there, no, R should be capital. This is the rule.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Next, always you should open the bracket and
Mm-hmm.
close the bracket. See, this bracket, open, close. It means inside this only you should write the program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Public static void main string array args. Okay, this will be the access specifier, modifier, something and all is there. Okay, return type and all. This is
Yes, sir.
return type we will call. So this should be in order way. If the method is non-static method, so you should not mention the static again. Got it? Similarly, again, you should open the bracket. You should initialize the variable
Mm-hmm.
and you should write a condition. This is the conditional statements.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, what and all this, sir, you are telling? I am speaking simple English, you are understanding. That's it. Don't go in a coding language. Got it? Next,
Yes.
some printing statement is there. You are eligible for voting and you are not eligible. Got it? Now, what I will do? Developer will do white box testing, like how I check each and every line.
Yes, sir.
In a similar manner, developer will do white box testing. So basically, white box testing means testing the each and every line of code.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? This is
Yes.
only white box testing.
Right.
There is nothing big definition is there. If you are testing each and every line of code, that is what we will call it as a white box testing. So why developer need to do white box testing? Developer given me a software. Okay. Let me take an example. There is something. Okay. Like this. This what I will tell. This is the software. Okay. This is how software is looking.
Yeah.
Check your eligibility for voting or eligibility something for voting. This is the software they have developed. Okay. Here enter your age will be there. Something. Age. Something is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here there is something called as check button is there. One of the button is there, check button. If you click on check button, no, it will show you whether you are this whatever the printing statement is there. You are eligible for voting. You are not eligible for voting. Got it? Here it will print that. So what I will do? I will enter. This software developer will give to the test engineers. See, test engineer will test the software. What software? This software will test. This is what we will do our job. Okay. Manually, if you do manual test engineer, if you write some code and if you test, that is automation testing. Got it? But you will be not getting this one. This is not visible for you. Code is not visible for you. Okay. So black box testing is called as closed box testing. Code is not visible, but white box testing is open box testing. Yes or no? Or clear box testing because code is visible for them.
Correct.
They're looking for the code. Now, test engineer. Now, developer is done the white box testing, and is given the software for us. What we'll do, we will check. First, what we will do, we will enter 1, obviously, or according to the requirement. X is greater than 18. So I will enter 19. Okay. Check. Obviously, I will get you are eligible for voting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I enter 10, it will show you are not eligible for voting. The simple software. Okay. So my testing is pass.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
always test engineer will think like a monkey.
Mm-hmm.
Monkey, what it will do?
It will jump from one tree to another.
No, if you feed,
One
if you,
placed.
yeah, if you feed something, no, if you are given one chocolate,
Yes, sir.
what it will do? Initially, it will not eat. It will do something and all. Later, it will check and later it will eat or something. Some playing kit you have given to monkey. First, it will not play with it. It will do randomly. It will throw. It will take it. It will try to break. Later, at last, it will get to know how to play.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, test engineer once after testing the software in according to the requirement. Now see,
Mm-hmm.
developer is Kachada fellow. He's taken the salary of thousands of rupees or lakhs of dollars or thousands of dollars. I entered the age of 18 now.
Okay.
Okay, I clicked on check.
Okay.
Who will check for the voting means the people who is eligible of 18 only. After 19, 20, 21 and all, they already know that they need to vote. But 18 only, they have confusion.
Okay.
16 or 18 or 17, 18, 18, 18, like that. If I click
Yes.
on 18 and check no, my
Yes.
software is showing error.
Yeah.
Sir, how error, sir?
Mm.
My developer is written the condition if x is greater than 18. It
Correct.
means if x is not equal to 18, no. If he
Yeah.
should mention greater than or equal to
Or
18,
equal to. Correct. Yeah.
then I can tell my software is working fine.
Correct.
So as a
Okay.
test engineer, you should always test in all possible ways. First, you
Mm.
should test according to the requirement. Is it means greater than 18 entered, less than 18 entered, 18 also enter.
What about 18?
So you
Correct.
got a defect. This is a defect. Got it? As
Yes,
soon
sir.
as you find a
Okay.
defect, you will communicate to the developer.
Yes, sir.
So developer feels shame on
Mm.
himself.
Mm.
Hey, this type of silly mistake I have done. I have
Mm.
written lakhs of lines of code, but
Mm.
one logical condition. This is
Mm.
logical condition. Got it?
Mm.
Right.
I missed this logical condition. So developers feeling shame because of their simple mistakes. That
Mm.
time, before giving software to test engineers, okay,
Mm. Yes,
developers before giving software to the test engineers,
they have to.
see, Reena is thinking, sir, here code is there, here software is there. How, sir? Okay, developers will write the
Uh-huh.
code. Later,
Mm-hmm.
what they will
Okay.
do, they will compile it.
Mm-hmm.
What they will do, they will compile. Sir, what do you mean by compile, sir? Compile means there will be something called as command prompt in your laptop. You can check, okay,
Mm-hmm.
where it will convert your Java file or Python file into some machine readable format file. Okay,
Uh-huh.
that
Okay.
is compilation will call. Later it will
Yes.
compress into a software like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you are using WhatsApp, Facebook, and all. No, is code is visible for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Code is visible
No,
for
the
you.
code is not visible,
Uh-huh.
sir.
Code is not visible. No.
No, it's
Why?
not visible.
Because it is converted into machine readable format and it is compressed into a
Correct.
software. Got
Okay.
it?
Mm. Mm.
So
Mm-hmm.
what developer is feeling shame now. So what it
Mm.
will he will do? We
Mm.
need to plan some strategy where this type of simple mistakes and all we need to eradicate from our side itself before giving the software to the test engineers, or else my standards will be damaged. Something like
Mm.
that they thought. Later they have introduced some types in that. So first one is path testing. Yes, sir. Next
Mm.
one is conditional testing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah.
what do
Yep.
you mean by conditional testing? First, path testing, let me teach you later. Conditional testing is already, I have an example here. Okay. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
what do you mean by conditional testing means? Here,
Mm.
we will test for both true and false condition.
Oh, okay.
True or false condition means what?
Mm.
If condition is true condition. Okay.
Mm.
Developer, you will check for the true condition. If I am 18 age, then obviously what? I will be eligible for voting. So what you will do? True condition you will check. You will enter 18 directly. Then you will run the code. It will show error to him directly. Why? Why? Because he's checking the conditions. Only one condition is there. There will be many conditions, male or female. In between, age is done. Next button here, male or female button is there. Okay, male is there, female is there, others is
Okay.
also there. Others is also there. Got it? Again, this is a condition. True,
Right.
false. Got it?
True.
Indian NRI. Again, true, false. I will select Indian, you will select NRI or something like that. Or if you got already green card or some red card, something will be there, no? US. Then some button will be there where US, it belongs to US or something like US resident, where these two will not match. Got it? These are the conditional statements. Okay. Here, developer will check for the logical conditions of an code, logical conditions of a code, and he will check both true condition and also the false condition. Both true condition means what? True condition means 18 he entered. As soon as he entered 18, he got a error. So he will go, he will fix it. He will add one equal to button here. Got it? Later again he will enter 19 or 100 something. That time code is working. It will show you are eligible for voting. Okay. Later he will enter 9 or 17 and all. After entering that, obviously it will show that you are not eligible. Then he got a confidence, no? Developer got the confidence. Later he will compile the code and compress the code into a software. Now you give the software for test engineer. Now what I will do? Obviously I will enter 19 and I will check. Like a monkey, I will start doing testing. I will also enter here instead of integers, I will enter alphabets also. Okay. If you enter alphabets in the mobile number text field, it will take no, right? Similarly, I will check that also. Or some characters I will enter. Okay, got it. So
Yes,
everything I will try to enter and I will check. I will try to enter. So that time and all it should show error. If I enter only integer, that time it should take it as a what? Input. And what I'll do, since I will enter the integers, integer means both positive and negative numbers.
Correct.
It means -1 I will enter. Since is given the statement that integer, so minus is also included. But see how beautifully developer is written the code. X is greater than 18 means less than 18, -1, -100, -200, all will come as a you are not eligible. Got it? So
Correct.
I will check that you are not eligible or not. Everything as a test engineer, I am passing the inputs, n number of inputs, both positive and negative inputs, and I am testing the software. This what we will learn in black box testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is black box testing? Again, developers will do white box testing, test engineers will do black box testing. Got it, Reena?
Okay.
Because
I got
she
it.
already know. White box testing will be done by the developers and black box testing is done by the test engineers. So this how to enter the inputs, what we need to do, how to test this and all is my classes. I will teach.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
So developer always he should do white box testing. Later only you need to compile and compress and you need to give the software for test engineers. This is my thing I want to convey you. You understood, right?
Right.
Both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a question, sir. Like if you think practically, they should also limit the age to less than or equal to, let's say, 100 years. Because what if,
Mm,
as a test engineer, someone puts the age as 150 years? It is
mm.
not possible in the practical world to have 150 years as the age. So it should say, it should show
Yeah.
another
So
message that
so
not valid. You
so
know? Yeah.
he will add one more condition.
Mm-hmm.
He fails.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? If else, there will
If else.
be x is less than or equal to 100.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
X
Yes.
is less than or equal to 100. Something.
Mm-hmm.
This is developers thing. How they will write the logic. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
You are eligible for
Mhm.
voting. Again,
Mm-hmm.
last the sales statement will come where
Mm-hmm.
you are not eligible. I'm just trying. You got it right. Like this is depending upon developer, but
Correct. Yes, yes.
whatever you are thinking is test engineer point of view. Because I will tell developer, no, after 100 years, who will live?
Yes,
So
sir.
limit it. So
Mhm.
again,
Yes.
he will do the coding. Again, he will
Yes, sir.
give.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So
Yes,
that
sir.
Right.
is how it
Right.
will work.
Correct. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So just
Yep.
write down heading white box testing.
Yes.
Reena, you have any book with you?
Yeah, I do. I do. I already start taking a notes. Yep.
Okay, very good. So write down heading white box testing, WBT.
Yep.
Done, sir.
Or you just take the screenshot.
Yeah.
You write down this is
Okay.
definition. Testing each and every line of code is called as white box testing.
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
testing the each and every line of code is called white box
Wait,
testing, right?
yes,
Okay.
it is done by the developers
Okay.
before developing the software.
Okay.
Because see, this is the software. Before developing is it only they are doing the white box testing. Okay.
Okay.
Since code is visible for the developers, it is also called as open box testing or clear box testing.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yeah.
Next, types write down. I
Yes.
think you are already written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Reena, you write types, part testing, conditional testing.
Okay.
Uh, 1 second, I will give you. Part testing, conditional testing, loop testing,
Okay.
unit testing,
Okay.
test the code from memory point of view,
Okay.
test the code from performance point of view.
Okay.
Got it. So now write down heading conditional testing,
Yes, sir.
both of you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Or
Okay.
or predicate.
Oh, okay.
That's another name of the
Yeah,
testing.
yes, another name of conditional testing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yep.
write down head definition.
Hmm.
Here developers will here
Okay.
developers will
Yes, sir.
here developers will test the code for logical conditions for both true and false conditions. For both true and false conditions. This is called
Okay.
conditional testing or predicate testing. Okay. Now just
Yes.
take the screenshot and this one you write later, this example.
Okay.
My screenshot,
And
if you
this
see
session
this,
is already recording, right, sir?
yeah, it is recording. But still you do
Okay.
your job,
Thank you.
no? You do work.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
already
because
wrote. I
yeah,
already wrote down everything.
because writing simultaneously while teaching will improve your IQ better than watching the videos
True.
later. Okay.
True, true. Yep. I
So
already
let
write
me
it down.
so let
Everything.
me delete this. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Now let us go for the path testing. Okay.
Hmm.
So what do you mean by path testing? Again, what will happen? I told you some main code. Public static void main will be there. No. Let me take it
Yes,
as
sir.
a main code. Okay. See, developer will write the lakhs of lines of code where each and every module is having a different logics. So let me take, there is something called as login and sign up.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me take that is a function 1 and function 2.
Hmm.
If you want to enter into application, you can log in and also you can sign up. No,
Yes, sir.
anything
Right.
is possible. Got it? So
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
F1, I will take some code where it is a sign up code. F2, I will take it as a login code.
Login.
Both will take you to again home page.
Yes.
Okay.
So what I will do, there is some logic where it will take you to the F3.
Hmm.
Got it? Again, there is some code
Right. Mm-hmm.
for F3. There will be some code. Again,
Correct.
from F3, from home page, let me take
Mm-hmm.
an example of Gmail only. Once you
Hmm.
come into the home page, no, there will be inbox.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
There will be sent items.
Hmm.
See, this everything is belongs under the sign up and login only again.
Yes.
Got it. And also
Yes.
it is belongs under the, what is this, home page. Inbox is there. All mails are there.
All
Okay.
mails. Yes.
Starred is there. I'm just taking an example.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking an example. This F3, no, this will, I will take it as
Yes.
F4, F5,
Hmm.
F6,
Oh.
and F7. These are the functions. Or
Okay,
you
sir.
Okay.
take features. Features also 5.
Okay.
So some code is there. I
Hmm.
can't write the code now because I also don't know. I'm not a developer again.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Why I'm telling I
Mm-hmm.
don't know means since I'm working in a
Mm-hmm.
company, but I'm not don't know writing the code, but I'm surviving in a company. That is my
Mm-hmm.
point. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is
Okay.
what I'm telling you guys. You can
Mm-hmm.
aram to survive. Okay.
Yes,
How?
sir.
By doing my
Mm-hmm.
black box testing. I'm not depending upon my
Correct.
white box testing. So
Correct.
what it is happened here is one developer will take this function from
Mm-hmm.
here. He will go
Mm-hmm.
and he will test this particular flow, inbox
Mm-hmm.
flow.
Mm-hmm.
One developer, what he will do, similarly, he will take this. He's checked the inbox.
Okay.
He will check the sent items.
Mm-hmm.
Same, sign up. One fellow, what it will do, he will log in instead of sign up. Later, he will check the inbox. This is the code. He's checking the
Uh-huh.
code. Got it?
Correct.
I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
Right.
writing some chart here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Similarly, they will.
Okay.
This is what we'll call it as a path. So F1
Uh-huh.
is F1
Uh-huh.
and main. First main. Always main will be there. No.
Uh-huh.
Right.
F1 and next F4 is one of the path.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I left F3. Without F3, there is no F4 again. F3 and F4.
Oh.
Got it. Next main F1,
Oh.
F3
Okay.
and F5 is one path. Got it.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Next
Right.
main F2 and F3 and F4 is one path.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Here, what a developer will do is, let us see. Here, developer will write the flow chart. Have I written the flow chart? This is a flow chart, no?
Yes.
Yes or no? It is looking from up to down, some flow chart, no? This is looking like
Correct.
this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
developer will write the flow chart and test each and every individual path.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is one individual path, and this is one individual path. This is one individual path.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, I checked a class arena. Open bracket is there, close bracket is there. Next, integer x.
Mm-hmm.
Assume if it is not an integer, something else they have written, or x is greater than 18. Like that, some coding will be there. Okay, in this complete flow, see here, this complete logic should be same.
Mm-hmm.
It should work
Okay.
continuously. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Again, this logic should continuously work. It should not stuck.
Correct.
Again, this logic should work.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Again, this logic should work. I think you guys are getting now.
Yes, sir.
So flow charts we have
Yeah.
written, and we are checking each and individual paths, and we are doing some testing. That is what we will call it as a path testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is also called as cyclomatic complexity
Mm-hmm.
testing. Sir, who is given this psycho name, sir? Means there is something called as ISTQB board. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I think
Okay.
you guys heard this name, or you will learn in future classes. ISTQB. Test engineer should be certified with this ISTQB also. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
International Software Testing Qualification Board.
Oh.
There is one board for entire world, or else, hey, India, we will not do part testing, we will tell. So there is one standards, International Software Testing Qualification Board. They will given the name. It is not a part testing. It is a cyclomatic complexity testing.
Uh-huh.
So any question, same answer. What is the answer again?
Uh-huh.
This is the answer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So here developers will write the flow chart and test each and every individual path
Right.
is called as path testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what are the advantages of doing path testing?
Mm.
There is a defect. In initial stage only we'll get to know, because we are taking like this. No? Assume there is a defect in the all mails. Let me take an example. What I'm doing, I'm going main next F1 according to rules. According to rules, if I'm not considering my path testing, what I'll do, first I will test the main code. Later F1 code I will test, F2 code I will test. Later I will come to inbox. It is why I'm telling means the priority wise I'm telling. Priority wise, which is important, which is important, which is important. But if you take it as a path, no.
Mm-hmm.
So that time importance changed. My main F1 is there, next F4 is there. According to rules, F1, F2, F3, later F4.
Yes, sir.
So I am getting initial only the defects. Initial stage means what? Here in the first path while testing only I found some defect which is present in the F4.
Mm-hmm.
One of the developer is doing this. Developer 2 is taking the one more path where sent items is there. Developer 3 is taking one more path where all mails is there. So initial stage of testing only we will find the defects.
Oh.
Got it? And we can
Yeah.
ensure that each and every path is thoroughly tested. See, this complete path we have tested, path 1 tested thoroughly. Next we'll go for path 2. Next we'll go for path 3, path 4. Because of flowchart, no, it became easy for us. Okay, this is path 1, this is path 2, this is path 3, this is path 4. Or else we would have confused that path 1 like this, path 2 like this, path 3 like this. If you directly go with the coding, no, that time one logic to another logic you will jump instead of going with the paths. you are getting right. If I sent a
Yes,
mail,
sir.
the mail will go and store in the sent items
Sent items, yeah.
of user A, and it
Yeah.
will go and store in user B's inbox. I mean, user A
Correct.
sending a mail to user B, no? So same mail should present in user A's sent items, user B's
Mm.
inbox. So
Mm.
different. So what we'll do while testing, what I'll do, I will send a mail, I will go to sent items and I will check, and I will make it a start, and I will go to start and I will check. It means my path only I'm missing.
Mm.
If you write the flow chart, my flow chart says that first you send a mail.
Mm.
Okay, go to user B's inbox and check. That is my first path.
Mm.
Path is done. Next, go to
Correct.
second. Already sent a mail, no? Go and check in the sent items.
Mm.
And also the mail should present in all mails. Go and check. That is what my path is suggesting. Step by step, properly it is suggesting. Okay. So
Oh.
what we can tell, we are
Mm.
testing each and every path thoroughly.
Mm.
Thoroughly testing means what? There is no defects left behind. Got it?
Mm.
So these
Yes.
are few
Okay.
advantages, and developer can ensure that there are no duplicate paths. Sir, what do you mean by
Mm.
duplicate
Okay.
paths, sir? Duplicate paths means already you have tested that particular path. Again, you are trying to test.
Mm.
Duplicate means what? Doing the same work two times. No,
Mm.
yeah, getting or not getting right.
Yes, sir.
Duplicate. You heard?
Right. Yeah.
Have you heard this name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a main hero. For him, one duplicate stunt master will be there. That is
Mm.
duplicate.
Correct.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Like that,
Right.
there is a
Right.
code already. Again, developer 2 is also written the code. Developer
Mm.
1 is written some code. Developer 4 is also written the same code. They are
Mm.
not aware of the law. They don't know while writing the code. But if they do this testing, they will
Mm.
find why the code is repeated twice.
Mm.
So
Okay.
they will get it and they will remove that. Got it?
Oh.
So
Got it,
Right.
this
sir.
is the
Yeah.
advantages of
Path testing.
yes, path testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now take
Yeah.
the screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Done, sir.
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
done too.
done. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, loop testing. Okay. Next, third type is loop testing.
Mm.
Loop means what?
Loop.
Hook. One kind of.
One kind of loop
Yes.
is loop.
Yes. Yes.
Aha.
Yeah. One kind of loop goes in a circle.
Yes. Circle is important.
Mm.
Okay. Loop means this is loop. No, never ending.
Mm.
Yep.
If your internet is slow, no, this loop you can see. Zig, 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 like this.
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there are some loop conditions, such
Mm.
as I will take an example to teach you guys.
So
There
this is
is
one kind of testing as well, sir?
yeah. Third
Okay.
type.
Third kind, right? Okay.
Third type of white box testing. Okay.
Okay.
Let me give a general example. Coding example means it will be you will not understand. So let me take a general example. This is YouTube. Video is there. Movie.
Mm-hmm.
Rina, you will watch in Indian movies?
I do.
I do. Okay, good. So there is a movie called as Bahubali. You know the movie name, I think.
Yep. I
Yeah.
do.
So it is there in the YouTube. Okay, developer is written the code. See, there is a movie Bahubali also. There is a movie of Bahubali Part 1. Let me take Part 2. Both the movies are there in the YouTube.
Okay.
Developer can't write the condition for each and every movie again. He need to write a logical condition that every movie should have some ads.
Mm.
in
Right.
between. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
So that let us take an example of ads now.
Mm.
Is written some loop. This is a loop. Okay.
Right.
Sir, what is this, sir? What is your writing? Let me take 2.5 hours movies there. Okay.
Yeah. So you're taking a break for movies.
This is a break where the ads will be generating. Okay.
Yep.
For this, developer is already written the code.
Mm.
Some code is written. I don't know what is the logic. Okay. But is written the code. That code should run such a way that for some particular period of time, it should generate a loop and it should stop the movie. Similarly, again, it should go for some logical condition. For the movie time later, it should generate one ad, generate one ad, generate one ad, generate one ad. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
It can't see this movie is 2.5 hours. There is one more movie, 3 hours. Avengers Endgame, 3 hours is there.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
That time again, you want to write the code for three hours. No, there is a code which will
Mm.
automatically take a timing, and based on that particular timing, and based on the movie viewers, how many viewers are there, based
Mm.
on that, it will automatically generate one loop. The
Mm.
condition, okay,
Okay.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
that condition will work. So this developer need to test. What he will do, he will go to the source code, whatever the
Mm.
code. I
Mm.
have written some code. No, similarly, there will be some code.
Mm.
There will be some looping statements like while loop
Mm.
or for loop. These are the loops, okay?
Mm.
For each loop is there.
Mm.
Similarly, there are several loops are there in our Java. In Python,
Mm.
there is something different. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
We need to check whether the looping statements are working fine,
Mm.
whether that looping is working fine or not. Okay. So
Mm.
this, whatever testing they will do to test the loops, that is what we will call it as a loop testing.
Mm.
Got it? You
Yes,
got
sir.
Right.
idea, but coding example I can't give
Mm.
Right.
because again I'm not a what
Coder.
Developer.
coder or developer. Okay. So
Mm.
our
Yep.
definition, what it will suggest is here developer will test the loop and ensure that loop is repeating for all defined number of cycles. Again, defined number of cycles means what?
Mm.
All the movies should generate at least 15 ads.
Oh,
Got it? This
yes,
15
sir.
ads is there, no? This we will
Mm.
call it as a defined number of cycles. Who will give this? This will be given by the customer requirement.
Oh, yes, sir.
Or else, I can give you one more example, but it will be very much local.
Mm.
If you go to what I can tell, uh, there is some function is going on, like Ganesha festival.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there will be lighting
Mm.
alignment. Okay,
Yes, sir.
there is a blue, white, yellow. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Many
Right.
types of lights will be there. There
Mm.
will be one device, electronic device will be there with them. A box will be there. There will be one button inside that.
Mm.
Amplifier, we'll call it as amplifier. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What it will do from here only the wire connection went. There are bulbs.
Mm.
Bulbs. Okay.
Mm.
There is some condition. There will be some coding. If there is electronic device means the electronic device will always work under the code.
Mm.
Without code, no electronic device will work again because
Mm.
this is a hardware. There
Mm.
should be a software.
Mm.
Humans is having only body. There is one Atma inside you.
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, Reena, you understood Atma means what? I
Yeah.
mean, in
Yeah, I
Hindu,
do.
we will call
Yep.
Atma. I don't know in other things. Okay.
Soul.
So
Yeah.
body is what I can call it as electronic part. Atma is where the coding is there. So coding is always Atma. Got it? So some code developer is written and it is stored. The lights, okay, one logic is there. They where the lights loop repetition, it will white color light will come. Later red color will come. Again white, red like that. This is one loop. Got it?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
yellow, green, whip wire. All
Yes.
those colors. Again one loop.
Mm-hmm.
There is some code is written, okay? And you need to end that code. If the user is clicking on one button, no, amplifier button, the code should send. It means that is what we can call it as a terminating condition, where your loop should end. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So defined number of cycles means what? Automatically is given. This loop should run 100 times. Later it should go to this whipwire loop again. From blue and yellow loop to 100 times this loop light should come. Later it should go to whipwire. Again it should go for 100. This 100 is there, no? This is what I will call it as a number of cycles.
Okay.
So here developer will test the looping conditions. How? By ensuring the loop is repeating for defined number of cycles. It means 100 number of cycles you need to test. You need to count 100 times whether it will change or not. Assume only 99 times means some coding mistake is there. Like while x is greater than 100 is there. Or less than, let me take less than, you will understand now. See, 100 is less than for x is less, okay, less than 10, greater than less than 100, greater than 10. Let me take an example. Less than 100 and greater than 10. Some logic is there. It means always it should start from 10 and it should end at 100.
100.
So greater than 10 means what? It will start from 11 again.
11.
When
Yes.
developer started to count from 11 to is checking till 99. It is terminating on the 99th time, not
Yes.
100th time. You got it, right? So one ad is missing here.
Yeah.
Out of 10 ads, one ad is missing because he's made some mistake here. This is again, this will comes under the looping statement. It is not, sir, I already learned this is logical condition. No, conditional statement. No, this is a loop.
Correct. Yes,
Here
sir.
I'm just giving you an example to understand. Okay. So here it is telling less than 10 and greater than 10 and less than 100 means we are missing. We are getting only 78 out of 88 out of 90 because one is missing here and one is missing here. The code is repeating only 88 times, not 90 times. So this is defect. How they will get to know? By doing my loop testing.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So here developer will test the loop and ensure the loop is repeating for defined number of cycles. 90 means 90 times it should repeat. Is called as loop testing. And also developer make sure that the terminating conditions is working properly. Sir, what do you mean by terminating conditions? The loop is ending, repeating 90 times or how many times? Loop is started, ad is started, it means, okay, ad is started, no, the code is working fine. Can I ignore like that? No, I need to check. Ad is generated. Last, less than or equal to, he made a mistake, so here ad is not generated. Terminating condition means from beginning of Bahubali movie to end of the Bahubali movie, I need to see. Then only I can understand.
Correct.
That is what here it is mentioning. Developer make sure that terminating condition is working properly or not. Terminating means what? Last condition. Last condition means this one. Got it? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is what we'll call it as a
Right.
loop testing. There is one drawback of loop testing. Sir, what do you mean by drawback, sir? time taken will be more.
Hmm.
Why, sir? Why time taken will be more? I am doing manually, boss. This is a test engineer. This is a developer. He's doing manually. You opened YouTube and he's launched one video and he's watching that 2.5 hours. He's watching the movie in the IT company, and IT company is paying him $1 of money. Is that possible?
No, sir.
Understood.
Hmm.
So
Right.
they need to go for automation
Hmm.
again. That automation testing is called as unit testing, the next type.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yeah.
you just take a screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm done.
Me
Done?
too, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
done.
So now, in order to whatever the drawbacks are there, in order to avoid those drawbacks or overcome the drawbacks, we will go for the unit
Unit
testing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us go for unit testing.
Hmm.
That's the number 4, right?
Yes. So what do you mean by unit testing? There is again some modules are there. A, B, C. Let me take. Okay. Since I can't test all these modules, understanding, right? Modules means features.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Features means login is one of the feature or module. Okay. Sign up is one of the feature or module. Inbox is a module. Files is a module. Main module where sub modules are there. Main feature or sub features are there. Main
Correct.
feature. Okay,
Yes.
this whatever I'm clicking no, whatever you are seeing no,
Yeah.
all are modules.
Modules.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So here name
Right.
is there. Here
Right.
icons is there. These are the icons,
Yep.
and this is button again. See here, this is button.
Yes.
Right.
So
Yes, sir.
for a button, they have given one icon. This is what the developer is done by using front end. In the back end, there is a code that will run as a text code. Here there is a code that pencil code, some code is there. Okay. File means file code is there. Inside the file code, again, new open, these codes are there. Got it? Now you are understanding, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is the main code. Okay, let me take customer A is given the requirement. Customer is given the requirement. Developer is written the main code. What is the main code? This is the software code. Can I call software code? Main code means software code. It means
Yes,
what, sir? This file is there, no, this code, new code, open code. This is the software code, okay?
Correct.
So A module, B module, C module, the main coding is done. Since I need to test the loops, manually it is taking a time. So what I will do, I will write a code as a subcode, or you can tell, this is a main program and this is a sub program. Okay, this is a testing program again. Here also program is there. Some lines of code is there. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay. Again, open, some close. Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yep. Yep.
So this is what we'll call it as a subcode, or main program and sub program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This sub program, what I will do, I will run against this main program.
Okay.
It means there will be some logic or some tool will be there. Okay. Unit testing will be done by JUnit. There is one tool. Okay. There is a tool called as JUnit. JUnit is well put to do the Whitebox testing. Got it? This JUnit, whatever the code we are writing here is in JUnit, and this is a Java code. Yeah,
Your voice is
understanding, no?
cutting off, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, your voice was cutting off. Now I can hear you.
No? Okay. Maybe some internet issue, pa. In
Mm.
India, the
Yeah,
quality
no
of
problem.
everything is very much, not good.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay. So sub code, whatever the sub program is there, this program we have written in the J unit, where
Mhm.
this program consists of the logic, how to test this A code.
Mhm.
Getting right? How
Yeah.
to test this A code, that logic is there in this subcode. For B, can I run this one? No. For B,
No.
different will be there.
Mhm.
For C,
Right.
different will be there. But
Mhm.
everything is written in a
Right.
J unit. Again, this is a J unit. It means every J unit is
Right.
one of the tool. Inside the tool,
Uh-huh.
we have written code for A also, B also, C also.
Uh-huh.
So, customer is given the requirement for the main program. So, developer will write the main program and also you will write the corresponding test program for all the main programs. Yes
Uh-huh.
or no? And
Yes.
they will run the test program against the main program. So the
Uh-huh.
test program will automatically test the main
That's the main
program
program. Yes, sir.
and give the results as pass or fail.
Oh, okay.
If pass means the logical, whatever the loop conditions are there, that is pass. If
Mm-hmm.
it is fail means the loop conditions, the number of loops it is not repeating properly.
Oh,
Right.
Very easy, no? Some
yes.
code,
See.
this will be consist of some 100 lines of code. Let me take.
Mm-hmm.
How many lines? 100 lines. This will
Mm-hmm.
be consist of around 10,000 lines.
Mm-hmm.
This consists of 20,000 lines. So can I
Mm-hmm.
test manually 20,000 lines?
No, sir,
Possible,
not
huh?
easy.
Or this
No.
is consist of 50,000 lines. See,
Mm.
is it possible to test all these 50,000 lines? No, impossible.
Mm-hmm.
Altogether, how much? 80,000. I need to test
Mm-hmm.
manually 80,000 now.
No.
It will take 1 month again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, true.
Time waste. Okay.
Mm.
So
True.
only unit testing is there. So what do you mean by unit testing? Customer, whatever customer is there, he will give the requirement for the
Mm-hmm.
main program. This
Mm-hmm.
is main program A, B, C. So
Mm-hmm.
developer will write the code for main program. Done. Now we
Mm-hmm.
have to do the white box test. So he will write
Mm-hmm.
the corresponding test program. He will run the test program against the main program.
Mm-hmm.
And the test program will run. It means each and every line it will test. White box testing means what? Testing each and every line of code. So it
Correct.
will test each and
Yes.
every line of code.
Mm-hmm.
Test program will automatically run against the main program
Mm-hmm.
and it will give the result as pass or
Pass or
fail.
fail. Yes,
This
sir.
thing is called as what?
Unit testing.
Unit testing. But there
Mm-hmm.
is three conditions. There are three conditions over here. One
Mm-hmm.
is when you run the test program against the main program, you will get a fail.
Mm-hmm.
It means there is a defect. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yeah.
guys, if you find a defect, no, obviously you should go through all these 10,000 lines.
Mm.
Right.
Manually, you need to test.
Mm.
Right.
There is no other option to find which line defect is there.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So what they will do?
Right.
They will go each and every line of code, 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 10,000 lines they have checked. One time
Mm.
checked, they
Oh my
haven't
God.
found any mistake.
Mm.
See, see, oh my God, not now. They have tested
I
first
know.
time, but they haven't found a defect.
Mm.
Second time again,
Okay.
they started to look.
Mm.
Okay.
Looking, going deep and checking which line, which line for 10,000 lines. Second
Mm.
time also they haven't found.
Mm.
Hey, what is the mistake? Well, let me check my sub program.
Mm.
Second line only there is a mistake.
Mm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if there is a mistake in the sub program or the
Subprogram.
main program, the program will tell fail.
Correct.
We
Yes,
don't know
sir.
where it is where the problem is. So always developers, they should check their sub program. As soon as you get the fail, no, you should not go for the main program. Always you should test the test program first. Why?
Yeah.
Why test program? Only 100 lines of code. How much time it will take?
Correct.
20 minutes. Here, how much time is consumed? Almost 1 day, na?
1 day. Yeah.
So always, if you get a fail as a result, you should check the test program. If there is a defect in the test program, fix it and run. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, we'll get a pass result. Why? Because you have tested this. No, there was no defect in the main program. There was a test program defect. This you are already fixed. So it will run and it will give the result as pass.
Okay.
Now done. This is done. There is some logic. This is first logic. Let me take. Next, second logic is there. What is second logic? Again, you have running the subprogram against the main program. Now again, you got a result as fail. Got it? Are you understanding now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
again, I have tested my subprogram only. Why? Because I got some idea. I am wasting time here, so I should not go for the main program. I have tested the subprogram. It is taken 1 hour, but I haven't found any defect. But it is okay. I went to the main program where in the 100th line or 200th line or 10,000 line, I found a defect. I have fixed the defect. Got it?
Yes,
I
sir.
found a defect and I have fixed the defect. After fixing a defect, I run again subprogram against the main program. Now I got a result as pass. Okay.
Okay.
Next, your lead came, your development lead came. Hey, how the work is going on, Narsimha? Sir, everything is fine, sir. Module B also I am tested. Now again, okay, let me see once again. Can you run subprogram against the main program? I have run the subprogram against the main program. I got fail.
Oh.
That is my faith. Always, hard work you do, but still your output will be always negligible. Like you
Right.
caught here. You will tell, hey, you are not working, boss. You are not working. You are just wasting the time. 1 or 2 times you will see.
Right.
Third time you will tell terminate. He will fire you. Is there any mistake I have done? I have tested. No. I found
Yes,
the defect and I fixed it. No.
Yes,
This
sir.
was clear. Previously, my software told me, hey, pass. This is pass. Sir, what, sir? What is going on? So, always the main programs, A module, B module, under the main program only we got, no, I written main program F1, F2, got it, F1, F2, and again F3, F4, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
This is a flow
Right.
chart that we have written. So always from main program to F1 to F2, there will be a continuous logic. Similarly, there will be logics. It means A program to B program, there is some logics, okay? Always you need to think fixing one defect in one module might also impact on another modules.
Oh.
So it means fixing one defect in the B module is raised one more defect in my A module.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Got it? So
Yes.
Right.
developer
Right.
is fixing one defect, is reproduced one more defect.
Yes, sir.
This type of issues developers started to get. So what developers are done is, if there is a mistake in the subprogram, okay, just run the subprogram against the main program, you will get a pass result. But if you find a defect in the main program, fixing that, later running the subprogram against the main program, you got a result as pass. So you should not stop doing testing. You should run all the subprogram against all the main programs one more time. Got it?
Right, right.
You should run all the subprogram against the main program. So subprograms will automatically run against the main programs and it will give the result as fail and pass. Obviously, no, that was my logic. So what I will do again, fixing defect is impacted one more defect in my previous feature. So I will go there and I will fix that. Again, after fixing here, again I will run all the subprogram against the main programs. It will automatically test all the main programs and it will give the result as pass. Okay, until unless I will get all the result as pass, I need to do the unit testing.
Correct.
Right,
Got the logic, no?
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Sometimes customer will also change the requirement. Customer changes the requirement. C module 50,000 lines I have written. Later they have changed some logic. I have written 60,000 lines. I mean, changing requirement means they have added something. So I need to write the code for that. Their code is changed, no? So chances are there it might impact on my other modules again. First,
Right.
what I will do, I will run the subprogram against the main program. If I get the result as pass, but still the code I have changed, I will run the entire test suite. This is what we'll call it as a unit test suite.
Yes.
Okay. What is this? Unit
test suite.
In companies, they will not call it as a suite. They will call it as a suite. Why suites are, I don't know. As a English, I know suite means SWEET. Suite means suite. But companies, they will call suite. So, sir, why, sir? Again, I don't have the answer for this because company following that procedure, I need to follow. So they will run the unit, entire unit set against all the modules. So it will test each and every module, main program, and it will give the result as pass.
Pass.
So overall result pass, if I get, then I can tell my unit testing is pass. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Right.
So this
Correct,
is what we'll call it as a unit testing. So let me go with the unit testing definition.
Okay.
So customer gives the requirement, developer will write the main program for the requirement and write the corresponding test program in the same language. Same language means what? In the Java or in the Python. Got it? It means main program I have written where? In the Java means subprogram also I should write in the Java only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Right.
what I will do, I will write the corresponding test program in the same language and I will run the test program against the main program. So where test program will automatically run against the main program. Automatically, how means I have written 100 lines of code. No, this 100 lines of code I only mentioned. You should do this, you should do that action, this action, all the things I have given. So automatically it will test the main program and it will give the result as pass or fail. It will not tell you it is defect. It will tell there I am feeling some code is not running. It means I will tell it is a fail. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So pass or fail it will tell. So this is called as unit testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you take I think you need to take 2 times screenshot. This is the drawing. You guys are understanding my writings, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, because I'm using mouse and writing, no, so it's not that much good.
Yeah,
So take
I
this
am done
screenshot.
taking screenshot.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Done.
now take this screenshot.
Yep, I'm done.
Done. Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
So guys, now for this I will give the notes. Okay, simple notes I will give, but the logic you understood, no? There are some 3 cases.
Yeah.
Some 3 cases are there. So this one is done, right? If error in the test program, developer will fix the error in the test program and run the test program against the main program. First logic, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yeah.
if error is in the main program, developer will fix the error in the main program and run the corresponding test program against the main program and check the changes are fixed in the error. 1 second. What is this? If error in the main program, developer will fix error in the main program and run the corresponding test program against the main program. And chances are there fixing error in the main program might affect other main programs. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This one you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Other program. So developer will run the entire unit test suite. Unit test suite means what? The main all the subprograms you need to run. Got it?
Sir, there is only one sub program, right? Like in the diagram, you made one sub program, right?
This one, no.
Yeah.
Here there are, I have written 3 diagrams like this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Here 100 lines of code I have written,
Yes, sir.
where it consists of A and B and C also.
Yes.
Because I have written this in the J unit. J unit is one of the tool.
Yes, sir.
In this tool I have written where
Yes.
A code is there that you can run. B
Yeah.
code is there that you can run. C code is there that you can run. Or at everything at one run you can run all the programs.
Okay, sir. Now I got it.
Okay.
Sir. Yes, yes.
So this is different.
Okay.
Chances are there fixing an error. This one you should keep in your mind because you will see this type of issues now and then in the software testing. Got it? One defect fixed, one more defect will arise. If the customer changes requirement in the module C, I told you here some changes is done. Then developer will change corresponding main program and also test program. Why test program also you need to change? Here he added 10,000 lines extra, no?
Correct.
For the 10,000 lines, you need to change some logic. So you might add another 20 lines of code here. So 120 lines it will become. So changing the test program against later what you will do? You will run the test program against the main program. It means complete. You will run. If it is given the result as pass, I should not do stop testing. I should run entire test suite and I need to run on all the other modules. Why? Again, adding the code might impact on my other modules. See, I'm just adding the code or removing the code or modifying the code or fixing the defect. Understood?
Yes.
Adding the code, removing the code, modifying the code or fixing the defect will also introduce the new defect in the other modules. Or which also fix the defect in other modules. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We don't know. It might fix some defects or it might create the defects that I don't know. Understood? But still what I need to do, I need to run all the entire test suite on the software. It means there is a kidney failure. If I replace the kidney, again kidney failed. Why? What is the reason? Because that fellow is hyper diabetic. So what I need to do, instead of fixing kidney, first I need to reduce his BP sugar levels.
Correct.
Once it is reduced, later I will transplant the kidney.
Correct, sir. Yes.
Again kidney failed. Why? Because liver is failed. Why liver is failed? Some other issues is there. Got it? So from one part to another part, how the link is there. Similarly, there will be software also. One part to another part, there will be some links. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is what we'll call it as a unit testing. Complete. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the time over there?
Sir, it is 10:31.
10:30.
10:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let us, what I will do, tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
morning again you will be having class. Prerna,
Okay,
is
sir.
that okay? What about
Sir.
Reena?
Mm.
Tomorrow morning means it's going to be night here.
No, for you morning, for me night.
Yes, sure. What time?
Prerna, what time we have done, Appa, last time?
Sir, my time 8:30. So
In the
your time,
morning,
yes, in the morning, my time 8:30. So your time 6 p.m., sir.
6. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay,
So,
so I
Reena,
should be
yeah.
okay